What do early airplanes made of fragile wood and fabric have in common with today's sleek futuristic jets? The answer lies in the incredible journey of materials. From the Wright brothers' wooden flyer to advanced carbon fiber dreamliners, the evolution of aircraft materials has not only made flying safer, but also faster and more efficient. But did you know that these advancements came at the cost of several life-changing discoveries and even tragedies? Let's take off and uncover the untold story. In 1903, the Wright brothers launched their first powered flight in a machine made of wood and fabric. Why wood? It was lightweight, easy to work with, and abundant. Planes like the Sopwith Camel during World War I relied on this combination of wood and stretched fabric. But there was one problem. Wood couldn't handle high speeds or adverse weather. It wasn't long before engineers realized they needed something stronger. In 1917, a pilot testing a wooden plane noticed the wings flexing dangerously mid-flight. Although he landed safely, it was clear that wood wasn't going to cut it for the next generation of planes. By the 1930s, metal took center stage. Aluminum alloys became the material of choice, offering strength and lightness. The iconic Douglas DC-3 was one of the first planes to embrace this metal revolution, transforming commercial aviation. Aluminum was also easier to maintain compared to wood, especially under harsh conditions. But even aluminum had its limits. In 1952, the de Havilland Comet, the first jet-powered passenger plane, suffered catastrophic crashes. Investigators discovered that metal fatigue, caused by repeated pressurization, led to cracks in the fuselage. Engineers quickly improved the quality of aluminum alloys, making flying safer. The next leap came in the late 20th century, with the introduction of composite materials like fiberglass and carbon fiber. These materials are not only lighter, but also stronger than aluminum. Planes like the Concorde, with its sleek design and supersonic speeds, benefited from advanced materials to reduce drag. Today's Boeing 787 Dreamliner is nearly 50% carbon fiber, making it one of the most fuel-efficient planes ever built. During early tests of carbon fiber in the 1980s, a piece snapped under pressure, almost causing engineers to abandon the idea. But they persisted, refining the material, and now carbon fiber is a game changer. One of the biggest challenges of using metals and composites is their environmental impact. While aluminum is recyclable, composite materials are harder to break down. That's why companies are investing in biodegradable composites and even experimenting with 3D printed components made from sustainable materials. But how close are we to building an aircraft that's 100% sustainable? Stick around to find out. The future of aircraft materials looks nothing like the past. Researchers are exploring graphene, a material lighter and 200 times stronger than steel. Imagine an aircraft that's not only more fuel efficient, but also nearly indestructible. NASA is also working on materials that can self-heal, fixing tiny cracks on their own. In 2022, engineers testing graphene in extreme conditions were stunned when it withstood pressures 10 times greater than aluminum alloys. The possibilities are endless. From fragile wooden wings to carbon fiber masterpieces, the evolution of aircraft materials has not only defined aviation, but also shaped our modern world. Each innovation, born out of necessity and sometimes tragedy, has paved the way for safer, faster, and greener skies. What's next? That's a story we'll continue to explore together. If you found this journey fascinating, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories about the science of flight.